So you're here because you got your GoPro Hero 9 Black to use as a webcam, but it's not connecting properly to your MacBook Pro or your MacBook laptop. Hi, I'm Brandie Price, and I'm an image consultant for television and film, and I originally got the GoPro 9 to be able to do some good B-roll and some different footage for some different projects that we're working on at Brandie Price Image. What I found is that it took me about 5 hours to figure out exactly why my GoPro Hero 9 was not connecting appropriately to my Mac. So when I first plugged in the GoPro Hero 9 and downloaded the software that was required, I got a menu, but it was all grayed out. And I followed all the instructions. I replaced cables. I reinstalled, uninstalled, reinstalled again. And I followed all of the advice that was available through different people who were posting on GoPro's forum on their website. You can see here, there are hundreds of comments, but no real solutions. So this was incredibly frustrating. It was not working for me. So I started researching and going back a little bit farther. There were thousands of comments, and that's why I wanted to go ahead and make sure there was a quick fix video out there for you guys, because I gotta tell you, I was really frustrated, about to throw this in the trash because I'd already been past the return date. But you know what? I found a fix. So what I did is I started Googling different problems with different GoPro cameras. So I looked at the 3, I looked at the 4, I looked at the 7. There were a lot of problems with the GoPro 7 as far as connectivity to Mac. So I started looking at that specifically. And I found one article that said to do a factory reset. Factory reset? So what was wrong with my brand new camera? I have no idea. So what I did is I just looked up the online manual for my GoPro Hero 9 Black and looked up factory reset. These are the instructions right here that I followed. Now, when you do the factory reset, it is going to take several minutes. Your GoPro will turn off and turn on, turn off and turn on a couple of different times. It took probably about 7 minutes total for mine to do the full factory reset. After doing the factory reset and plugging my GoPro back in, I was able to see the full menu. So here's the preview, and then see how this pulls me up right here. So we are live, ready to go with this webcam now.